Hello, kids. Today we'll be playing with dinosaurs. And this one is a Pteranodon. It's a flying dinosaur. This one is a Tyrannosaurus. And I think it's hungry. He's looking for something to eat. Let's quickly prepare his dinner. Those plants were just an appetizer. He's still hungry, but before he eats, let's decorate him. And we'll be using first some orange Play-Doh. We have another egg. This one is red, and it has inside red Play-Doh. Our Tyrannosaurus is too hungry. He cannot wait anymore. Let's take this blue Play-Doh and prepare some food. He's still hungry. He's far from satisfied. Let's keep feeding him. Even the Pteranodon is coming to help us. This should fill him up. Here you go, Tyrannosaurus. Eat this. Here's a little more. Our dinosaur is full. He's going to take a nap. In the meantime, let's continue discovering a few more dinosaurs. This one is a Titanosaurus. We already know the next one. It's a Tyrannosaurus. The next one is an Allosaurus. This one looks a lot like the Tyrannosaurus. The only difference are the little horns. The next dinosaur is a Spinosaurus. It has what is called a sail on its back. It has very sharp teeth and is also a strong dinosaur. The next one is a Stegosaurus. As you can see, it has a lot of spikes on its back and a small head. The next dinosaur is this one. It's a Triceratops. It has 3 horns and also a beak that looks like that of a parrot. We discovered so many dinosaurs today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.